Hello. Today I'm just going to give you a couple of hints because on how to study for 201 quizzes, recitation quizzes, or how to find material background reading for writing reports. Where's some of that information in the 201 course? That's lab. So if you click into the Canvas homepage, because the answer is always Canvas, then you'll see at the front page, we have this, you have the instructor, yours will have the person's name and everything in it. But if you look down under course resources, one of the first things you see is you have a textbook that's an OER, that's Open Education Resource, so a free textbook. And if you click into that, I think it might take you directly to this second book, Practical Aspects of Structure, Purification, and Spectroscopy. Otherwise, if it takes you to this page, it's the second one here. And this is the textbook for the lab courses. And this provides information. When you click on here, it will provide information on how to interpret proton, IR, NMR spectroscopy, but there's also a section on how to understand different purification techniques. So let's see. Other resources in Canvas, if you scroll down a little bit past here was our free web book. You scroll down, there's data analysis. That's how to do things, but how to use instruments. But there's also this page here that's important, and that's practice problems and Quizlets to prepare for quizzes. So if you click on that page, it will give you a list of things. So this is what that page looks like, practice problems to prepare for recitation quizzes. And it'll go by quiz. So recitation quiz has line drawing and functional groups. And there are in here practice quiz. You can time yourself on identifying functional groups. On here, you can go do another multiple choice functional group practice. Here's into the online reading. So there's the textbook. If you look at the quiz 3, preparation for quiz 3, you can look at practice problems in the online textbook. You could go do some practice at Khan Academy, or you can do a Quizlet on key IR peaks that you should know. And I'll talk about Quizlet in a minute. So you can see that you have a variety. Sometimes it's other campus websites with practice problems with answers. Sometimes it's our online book. You have a variety of resources for each recitation quiz. And then the last resource here is Quizlets. I've made some Quizlets for you on for things to memorize. So Quizlet's really good. It's online flashcards, and it's really good for memorizing key concepts or key terms. It's not application problems, so I really suggest you go in and do problems as well in those other links. So if you go in, you click on IR spectroscopy in Quizlet, it might make you make an account to use it, but it's free. And you have the links for these, and it'll say, where is an sp3 carbon hydrogen stretch? You click on this, and it pops open turns the note card over, and it'll tell you between 2850 and 3000, and it shows an example peak of that right here. So you can do that. You can make your own quiz for this course or for any course. So the Quizlet's a nice little tool that's free and easy to access. Maybe you've used it. Anyway, those are the things I just want to make sure you navigate through Canvas, find the readings, find practice quizzes that are linked in, Quizlets for memorizing terms or regions in IR, and that you are keeping up on where those materials are and what will be on each of those quizzes.